So a friend of mine asked me if I could make something that would make filling his LizzQ Smoker Tube easier, and I thought, why not? I'll give it a shot. So here's what I came up with. A simple little base and a little funnel that goes on top to make it easy to be able to have it stand there on its own so you can fill the funnel without it tipping over and without losing too many pellets, if any. So here's another view from the top. You see it's a very simple funnel that just slides over the top of the smoker tube itself, and it does exactly what I thought it would do, which is great, and really no spillage as long as you're somewhat careful. So here's a little closer look. Two pieces, one on the bottom. You see a little magnet on the bottom. That also helps it to stay level or upright when it's on your Traeger. And I made these little slots so you can put them together. One piece, hang it somewhere, stick it on something metal, whatever. Works. Oh, and don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.